Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm about to share with you a very important thing that you can do using this software called Photoshop. What I'm going to do, we are going to change the background picture of this picture. So let's simply drop in. There are some techniques that we can use, and those techniques, they will help you to remove any background of your picture. So anything that you want to change, this tip will help you. So let's wait for it. So this is the picture right here. Okay, so this one, you can see it right there. So this is a picture. So what we are going to do right now is to change the background. Let me bring in the background that we're going to put on that picture, because it is very important to know how to change the background. Let me drop in this background right here. So this is what we are going to do right now. So we are going to duplicate this. Okay, you can simply press alternative key on your keyboard and then hold the left mouse button and then drag it. Okay, just like that. So and then from there you can simply press Ctrl on your keyboard plus this close curly bracket, just like that. So we can simply bring in this picture right here. So what we are going to do on this picture is to remove the background. So if you are new to my channel right now, before I do anything, please try to smash that subscribe button and also comment, and this thing will help me a lot. So let's do this. Okay, what we are going to do right here is by simply first select the picture, this picture right here, and then goes direct into this tool right here, object selection tool, which is W. You can simply click that and then come and draw it on this picture right here, just like this. Let's just draw it. Okay, now you will see this tool right here will help us to remove the background, and then right click on the picture and put or simply bring in feather. Feather is to smooth the background or the place that we are going to remove. So it has to be 2.5 radius. So let's press OK. So now let me do it again like that. Okay, and then right click, go to feather, and then press OK, and then come down here. There's something small button right here, and then click it. Now you can see I remove the background. So the next move that I can do is simply try to scale it like that. So now we are done from there. The next move is simply try to put a normal saturation. Okay, I will simply do this smaller. Okay, like that. So let's just imagine that the picture that we have. So the next move that I'm going to do is trying to duplicate as many as I want, like this. Okay, so just like that. You can do it as many as you want to by simply holding down alternative keys and then simply click and drag by using a left mouse button, just like that. All right, so thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.